Hey, if you like construction, you like to see how this stuff gets done, hit that subscribe. Right now we're working on building a house and it's very small conditions right now. As you can see, we got trenches all over the place and we got the excavator and we're trying to get everything correct. This is going to be a nice house by the beach. So if you guys are into this kind of stuff, definitely hit that subscribe. That way you guys never miss when we upload a video. We'll keep you guys entertained every single day. Thanks for standing by and watching.